Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we will see how we can acquire an asset through purchase order. So in a nutshell, what I'm going to do, let me open my notepad here. So I will simply create an item. Okay, let me call my item as power backup, something like that. Okay, and I will be creating a purchase order for this one. Now what will happen when I will create a purchase order? This will automatically be reflecting inside my pending assets. And then we'll simply procure this. Okay, so let's do it practically, then you will understand. So the first thing is that I need to create a release product first. So I can go to my product information management. And here I can go to my products, release product. And I will say new here. And here let me say my product as power backup, something like this. And let me select this item model group. Let me say this as first in first out and item model group. So this will be inside our electronic. Okay, anyway, let me call it as TV and video product. And storage dimension, site and warehouse, and let me choose my tracking dimension as done here. And let me define a price. So assume I'm going to buy it in 100 and I will sell it 120. Okay, and then let me simply create this release product. Now I will need to do my setup in asset management, so I can go to my asset management module here. Here I can go to my setup, assets and items. So here I'll be linking my item. So let me see it as new. I'll be selecting my item that I created. So the name was power backup. So let me type here power backup. Here we go. And now I need to select my asset type. You can create your own. For example, I can say this as, okay, let me select the default one anyway. Just simply, okay, so let me say this as, okay, mixer. Okay, here we don't have anything, so I'm good with this. Okay, I have now simply linked my items into asset. Now the next step would be I'll be creating a purchase order for this one. So let me create it from here itself. I'll go to my all purchase order. I can say new purchase order here. I'll be selecting a vendor account. Let me go with this one. And okay, yeah, let me create the purchase order now. And now I will need to select my data item, that is power backup one here. Here we go. I can select my site and warehouse. Let me say I need 2 quantities. So you will see the unit price is automatically defaulting. I can change it to 2. It should be now 200. Oh, sorry, it's unit price, so the net amount will be coming here. Alright, so now this is completed. Now if you will go to your, let me duplicate this, and let me go to my asset management here, asset, pending asset. Okay, so now you will see my this basically this pending asset is available here. Now what I can do, I can complete my process. So let me confirm this so that we can procure the asset. So let me do the complete process here quickly. I have confirmed my purchase order. Let me complete the receiving product receipt here. Let me give the same number product receipt. Okay, I can validate all the information. Now my receiving is done. Now let me quickly invoice this. You can say invoice. Okay, I'm here. I can say match product receipt, and it should match. I will click OK. Let me post this. Has not been performed. Match status. Okay, this is passed now. I can now post it. Okay, invoice number must be specified. Let me specify this. And let me post it now. Okay, I think this invoicing is also done. So it should be changed to my invoiced. Okay, now the status is invoiced. And now let me go to my here the spending asset, and when I will refresh this, let me open this Power Backup. Okay, here I can check all the information. Okay, now what I can do, I can either, let's say if we return this, we can use this discard option, but for now I'm going to create my asset. So the asset is created. Okay, so my asset is created. So let me refresh this. So let me click here, edit, mark, create asset. Okay, now my asset is created. Let me go to message detail. Okay, here it is saying that cannot update lifecycle state. Lifecycle state is not allowed. Okay, anyway, like let me go to now my asset here. I'll go to my asset management, all assets. So here my number is this. Let me go ahead and search for this. Okay, this one. Let me open this. So here we can see that our asset is created here. This is the life cycle of our asset. Okay, so that is all about this video. So just to recap what we did, we may open my notepad here first. So we created an item. Okay, then we link our item into assets. Then further I created a purchase order. I did the complete process like receiving, invoicing. Okay, and then we simply created our asset from our pending form, from our pending asset form. This was the complete process. Here you can come and you can simply fill other details like your manufacturing model, model year, serial number, your fixed asset information. So that is all about this video. Thank you.